discuss that one, I discussed it. But no report is demanding, I want drill up or drill across functionalities. As a concept that is available, so I thought of telling that one. That's it. Whatever projects I done, no project, no report, I implemented drill up and drill across live. Okay, right. Next one, my requirement is like this, sir. My requirement is like this. Till this point of time, whenever you are clicking on the quarter column, you are getting what, sir? Month as the display column. Now this time I want to go for month code, sir. What I can do? Tell me. Requirement is clear or not? Whenever I click on quarter column, I want what, sir? Month code I want instead of month. What I can do? Change. Let me give my requirement once again clearly. New column, new analysis. B151 supplier sales. Click on OK. Then what is my requirement is, whenever I am going for year column, then dollars column, click on results. If I click on year column, then I am going to the quarter. If I click on quarter, then I am going to the month. I don't want year month, I want month code. What I can do? Tell me. Double click on month level, yes. Go to key tab, okay. Month code column, we need to make as display column. Now what about this month then? It should not be key column, right? It is not at all required. So I am disabling this also. So the column I am not using either for key column, neither for key column nor for display column. Month column neither for key column nor for display column I am using. Click on OK. Then I am going for checking changes. Click yes. Click OK. Now go here, go back. Then reload server metadata. Then refresh it. Then click on this one. Immediately we are moving to the month code instead of month. Now one more requirement I will do. Previously we have here month or month code is there, right? Now I want both the columns. I mean to say, if I click on quarter column, if I click on quarter value, we are seeing either month or month code. But I don't want like that. I want both the columns. What you will do? What is that? I need to make both the display columns. You mean to say like this? Okay, we'll try it. Click on OK. Click on check-in changes. Click S. Click OK. Now go to the front end. I am going for reload server metadata. Before that I am going back. Reload server metadata. Then I am refreshing it. Okay. Then I am clicking on one. Closely observe. Whatever your assumption is wrong, right? Whatever your assumption is wrong. What will happen is, if you have any controversy, it is controversy case actually. It is ambiguity. Here we have two columns. I am saying two columns for the display column. It is a controversy, it is an ambiguity relationship. So what the system will understand is, it will go for this one. First display column it will go. Both are saying as display me like that. Then immediately it will go for next level. Next level of checking is, out of these two columns, which is primary key? That primary key column will be displayed. Are you clear what I am trying to say? Any controversy situations are there, it will go for what, sir? Next level of checking, whichever primary key is there, the primary key will be displayed here. Now still my requirement is same. I want two columns. I am a client, I am stick with that point. Then what you can do? Preferred drill path I don't want to use. Okay, next, what can do? We have here one thing that is called as, we have one solution is there, that is, I am deleting this column as of now. I don't want it. This is key column. One key can be associated with two columns or three columns or four columns. Are possible or not? Possible. Why can't you can make this as month code as well as month? One key column may be associated with many columns. That is called as composite key, right? Now I am saying this key column is associated with two columns. One is month plus month code. I given like that, then I am saying this is for the key column, this is for the display column. Now there is no ambiguity. I am clearly saying display this key column. Internally this key column contains two columns. So now click on OK, click on check in changes, yes, then go to the front end, go back, then I am clicking on reload server metadata, then refresh it, then I am clicking on one, closely observe, what happens, sir? We got month and month code. Like this, not only 2 columns, if you want 3 or 4 columns also you can fix it, right? All I need to do is composite key place, I need to select 3 or 4 columns. Okay.
You can actually display our columns also.
What's that?
You just actually print the key level.
Correct.
Okay. You can have display column.
Okay.
Okay. In the column also we can merge.
Can be. The question is here, what exactly he is asking is, here I merged the columns, at the level of what, sir? Primary key. Can you merge the columns if a column is not using as a primary key also? Answer is what, sir? Yes, can be done. No issues. Okay, that's perfect. I am reverting my all work into normal stage. Normal stage means I am removing this one. Then I need to create separate one, right? Because going forward also I am going to use same RPD. I should not use this kind of things. Okay, no requirement also will come like this. If I click on this column, I want 2 or 3 columns like that. As an experience purpose, I am telling this one. Okay, right. Next, here I am giving the column as corresponding to what, sir? Month column. This is for the display column. This is for the key column. Click on OK. Now click on check in changes. Click S. Click OK. Perfect. We completed now totally level based hierarchies. What else we have, sir, here? We completed this part, level based hierarchy. Then what else, sir? Parent child, next unbalanced. These 2 concepts will be covered in our 4th level of training. First level of training is practitioner level, second is learner level, third is specialist level, 4th is advanced new features in WebA11g. Okay, in that one, the 2 things will be covered, don't worry. Okay, right, these 2 things came newly in WebA11g and it is advanced concepts. Okay, right. At this moment, I don't want to go for that one. Right. Now, yes, we created the hierarchy. Next one, I need to understand 3rd advantage. We have so many advantages here I given. Out of this advantage, we understand what is drill down, what is drill up, what is drill across or drill by. 4th one is what, sir? Level based measure. 4th one is level based measure. Now this is the time to learn about level based measure. Right. Let us say I am asking one question to you people. Let us say I am going for new analysis B151 supplier sales. Then I am taking one column called as reason column. Then I am taking one column called as dollars column. Now I am clicking on results. I got here central this much, east this much, west this much. Correct. Now if I ask what is the percentage of this one? How to calculate, sir? Let us say, let me give simple numbers so that you will be knowing clearly. I am going to the Excel sheet. This is, let us say, my region. This is, let us say, my sales. My region is equal, let us say, my village, Kodada. Okay. And my sales is equal, let us say, 100 rupees. And this is equal, let us say, Hyderabad. Then this is equal, let us say, 200 rupees. Next one, this is equal, let us say, Vijayawada. This sales is equal, let us say, one more 100 rupees. Like this, I have given the data. Now, if I ask my total sales is what means what, sir? My total sales equal what, sir? Equal to sum of these all things, right? Sum of these 3 things gives me my total. That is 400 rupees. Now I want here one more column. What I want is share column I require. Percentage of share. Not only share, it is a percentage of share. Percent of share. Now that means what, sir? Tell me, sir, what is the share? that by equal to that region sales by total sales, that is 400, gives me what's that? Into 100 also, right? Into 100, this gives me what's that? My percentage. This also what's that? Equal to 200 by 400 200 by 400 into 100, like this will give the answer 50%. Same thing will be applicable here also, right? Okay, 25. Now, similar to this one, how we calculate here, why can't you can calculate this guy? Let us say I am exporting this into Excel. Let us say I am exporting into Excel. Open. It's opening. Click S. Then I got here two columns, region column, dealers column. Why can't you can create one more column that is called as share? Share is equal to what, sir? This by this three things. But I don't want to do this manually. I want to do what, sir? In the report automatically I want to drag and drop one column. In the report some column I want to create, that column I want to drag and drop. Because this percentage share calculation column is reusable. Many reports I may be required that one. That is the reason it is always best practice to create in the BMM layer. Now you people guide me how to create that one. Here the problem is, did you observe or not, in the denominator always I am using one constant value. The constant is what, sir? 400 I am using. This 400 is nothing but my total revenue, right? This 400 is nothing but my total revenue. Okay, how to calculate that 400? That is not my question. So if you take normal dollars column, what is happening is, initially it is showing central corresponding to total data. Whenever I click on central, this dollars column is splitting into what, sir? According to this values, whatever I taken, it is splitting, yes or no? That means dollars is not a constant value. But I am expecting in the denominator here, what, sir? Constant value, that is 400. That means now I require a measure column which will be calculated always at one level. It is splitting as per the levels what we taken here. Yes or no? My dollars column is splitting as per the levels what we taken here. Now, but my requirement is what, sir? I want a column, that column value should be constant throughout its levels. How to calculate that one? That is what question. That's where we need to go for level-based measures. How to create the level-based measure is this the way. I am going for sales, right click, new object, then what, sir? Logical column. I am giving this as customer total, because our customer total is nothing but what, sir? Grand total only, right? Customer total revenue. This definition is what, sir? Go for derived from existing columns, then click on expression, then go for sales, then I have your dollars column, double click on that one, click on OK. If you do like this column, this is a normal column only, right? Okay, but this column needs to be calculated always at one level. That means you need to assign this to where, sir? One level. At what level you want to calculate this one? At what level? Customer dimension, customer level or sales print level, district level or region level or grand total level? What you want? Denominator, what you want to populate? Grand total, right? That is customer total. That means total customers, what is the information you want? So now I created like that, click on OK. If you see here, one column is created, that column is called as customer revenue. Inside this definition, definition is what, sir? Dollars only, but it is calculated the level of customer total. Whenever you assign this customer total, automatically this customer total revenue column will be associated with what, sir? Under customer total. Are you clear? Now what I am doing is I am dragging and dropping this into this into measures. Now go for checking changes, click yes, click OK. Now go for front end. Now I am going for reloading server metadata. Then I go for back. Then what I am doing is simply I am taking this customer total, sir. If you observe carefully, is that value splitted, sir? Is that value splitted? No. If I click on central also, see here, dollars value is splitting, but my customer total revenue is what, sir? Constant value. It is not splitting. But that column is not designed. That column is not designed to show directly in the report. If I show directly in the report like that, is it giving any meaning, sir? It is a meaningless value. It is a meaningless value. So to make that meaningful, we need to use in calculations only. What type of calculations? Share calculations. What type of calculations, sir? Share calculation. How we can calculate? Go back, and I'm creating one calculation here. Right click, new object, then logical column. Then I'm saying this as share calculation. Then I'm going for column source, derive, existing columns, sales, dollars by, what's that? Customer total revenue, next, into 100. Click on, okay. Click on, okay. Now once it is done, drag and drop that also into measures. Now checking changes, click S, click OK. Now go for front end, then go for reload server metadata, go back. Two columns are there. Click on results. Region dollars I got. Now next column is what, sir? What I want? Share I want. Click on the share calculation. Then automatically share also came 20.49 like this. Yes or no? Now if you calculate this one manually also you get that only. I mean to say this only I want to calculate manually. How can calculate, sir? Equal to this by sum of these three things into 100. 20.49 or not? Here also we got same 20.49 or not? So our calculation is working fine. Our calculation is working fine. Now what is our definition of level based measure now? What is the definition of level based measure, sir? It is a measure column first of all, right? It is a measure column, but it is calculated always. It is calculated always at the level of what, sir? Customer total. So now I can define level based measure in this way. Level based measure is a measure column. Level based measure is a measure column, but always it will be calculated. But always it will be calculated at one particular level. At one particular level. Level based measure is a measure column, but always it will be calculated. But always it will be calculated at one particular level. That's the reason I written in my PowerPoint also same story. If you see my level based measure definition, level based measures are columns whose values are calculated to a specific level of aggregation. Specific level of aggregation. Suppose if I am saying here measures, period revenue, that means what, sir? Total revenue. This is what, sir? Year-wise revenue I want. This is what, sir? Quarter-wise revenue. This is what, sir? Month-wise revenue, day-wise revenue. These are not what, sir? Level-based measures. Now I will give one question to you. I hope you need to do that one. What is my question is? This is one report I have here. Let us say I am going for new. Or else here also you can explain. I am clicking on, let us say central. I am clicking, sir. Then I got here all the districts available, right? All the districts available. Now tell me one question answer. This 1.29 meaning is what? 1.29 meaning is what? That means you mean to say Gulf sales in total revenue or Gulf sales in central revenue? 2 points are there here. Gulf sales in total my organization revenue percentage, or it is a Gulf sales in central region revenue. What is that one? What is that, sir? Total. Let us go and validate it. So what is this value, sir? Let me take into the Excel sheet so that it will be more clarity. I am going to the Excel sheet. First of all, my questions are clear or not? My questions are clear, right? What is my total sales, sir? What is my total sales? This total is my sales, right? And let me take here sum of shit. If I am doing wrong, what you people are doing, sir? Huh? You need to put me in correct path, right? Okay. So this is what my total revenue. Now this number I am taking, I am going to use in my calculations. Look, what is the sale of this one, sir? A8 sale. Okay, let us go for other sheet. This calculation, whatever it is there, this one I am taking.